Good morning, friends. Uh, Welcome to Trade Point, where we will try to analyze and take the trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty based on CPR, standard pivots, and Cambrella pivots. Today is 28th of January 2020, and time being 9:15, 9:20. Uh, Let us just first analyze the CPR levels. In Nifty futures, we have got 12,166 as a base level pivot, and the low side we have 12,142. Uh, it means on CPR, and a higher side 12,190. Once the Nifty will reach 12,190, we have 122, 127, 83 and 88 levels. Um, Essentially, the Nifty should take support at around 12,085 levels and should resist around 12,222 levels. Ideally, they should move between 12,083 and 12,201. We will try to take the trade, short trade today because the sentiments are a bit negative. The hangover of yesterday is going to continue further, so we will try to see if we can get any short trade as close as pivot higher level 122 166 or 12,166 or 12,190 level based on the price actions. In the same way, in the Bank Nifty also, we have got 30,913 as a lower level, lower channel, uh, and higher side 31,039.50, and the pivot stays at 30,976. Again, we have got a range of 30,350 to 30,600. We will try to take a short trade in this also, in this counter as well, as much as possible towards the higher side of band 31,102 or 31,100 and 200, and we will try to cover this somewhere on this side, 31,344 or 31,600 levels. We will see the opportunities based on the price action what the market offers during the morning session. And one thing to note, this today's session is going to be quite volatile. We will see the move both upside and downside. There's not going to be a training day just because we have a wider CPR both in Nifty, like 47 points, which is not normal. Generally, if we see a CPR of roughly like 10 to 15, 20 points, this is normal. Only then we can expect a trending day. In Bank Nifty, we have got a range of 126 points in CPR. That is also on a higher side. Generally, it should stay just below 50. So in both instruments, we will see both high. It means the new highs and new lows during the day. Most possibly in the morning itself, we will establish both low and high, and in the afternoon session, probably we will try to trade the breakout of any of these two levels, either on a higher side or on a lower side. 70% chances that we will travel on a lower side. So whatever would be the low of morning session before 11 o'clock, that might get breached in the afternoon session. This is what I expect in both of the instruments. So stay tuned, and let us just move ahead towards the chart. So this is our Bank Nifty 30,700 and PE there, and we got an entry at 100 rupees, uh, and we are expecting some good move into it. This is Nifty. We have entered at 12,153. That was the Camarilla third level where the pivot stays, 166 level. So we have seen the weakness with the stop loss of just 13 rupees. We gone short, and we are expecting a level of 12,100, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wherever it will come first, we'll try to book our profits once, and then we will see a sort of jump. Now this is a Bank Nifty. Again, we went short at 30,989 level. and we are expecting a level of 30,000, somewhere like 800 or something, 850 or something. We will try to capture some move towards that. In case if get triggered, I just got 15 points, what you call stop loss. Uh, then we will see what to do about it. Now this Bank Nifty PE has reached to my VWAP level. I'm expecting a first target of around 150 rupees. I have concluded some of my positions here only at VWAP and trying to see if I can conclude the other one is at around 151, and rest I will trail at 135 rupees once the 150 level will cross, and see I will see what to do later on, because profit booking is necessary at every level. Today is going to be the wild day, as we have discussed in the morning just now, and uh, even in Nifty and Bank Nifty will try to capture at least 50-60 points in Nifty, or 100 or 150 points in Bank Nifty, since we are trading into Bank Nifty options. So we have the targets now at 10:20. The Nifty has moved down, and this is a daily chart. It is a kind of dozy now. It is resting on some of the crucial support. January month low, 12,216 so far. Yesterday's low, and it has reached to that level. I will try to cover once, because it has given me the move both sides today, uh, and I will expect that Nifty's these prices will retrace back to the VWAP and then try to fluctuate around that level during the day. Once I will see some move breaching any levels, only then I will take the next trade. Otherwise, otherwise no. In case of Bank Nifty, we have a very interesting situation out here. The apparent neck and head and shoulder pattern is now broken down. Neckline is broken down. Day before yesterday, we have seen a kind of violation of it, just to trap those all people who retrade the apparent patterns. Yesterday we have seen the downfall, and today we are sitting at very crucial support level. Once we will see that this level of around 30,700, sorry, 800 is breached down, we can easily expect 30,650 levels, that is monthly pivot, and even below that also during the week. But for today, we have a range of around 400 points from top to bottom, or bottom to top. We are assuming the top is formed, and from since the top in Bank Nifty has got 31,051, so from 31,051 around 350 points, we can expect 30,700 level during the day. Now this is where this PE is now at 142. This is PE's daily chart. The open, it is it is moving above open price. My first target was the VWAP, which we have achieved. Second is 150 odd levels, 150, 155 levels, and third level is going to be 173. And after that, we have got an open territory to float with. So this is it. Okay, book the profit boss 153. Yeah, book it. Okay, so we have booked some more quantity at 153. Now we got Piddu quantity, little quantity, we with a stop loss of 134, 134, 135 लगा देना भाई. 133, 134, 135. If we get triggered, then again I will wait for these levels, 100 levels, to re-enter for S3 level. So basically I would be just playing S3 and S4 level for now. Oh, very good. It has now taken out our stop loss, we booked all the profits, we are out. Even in Nifty, we are out at 12,107, and in Bank Nifty also we are out at 30,850 rupees, as we have said. Uh, Now, uh, what the market is going to do next? The market is going to trade uh, around VWAP levels during the day, uh, like in Nifty. The VWAP level is at around 12,130, and in Bank Nifty, this stays around 30,925 levels. So the prices in Nifty might fluctuate 15-20 points up and down, and in Bank Nifty around 70-90 points up and down. Uh, this PE, I would be keen to re-enter it around 100 levels, only when I will see some sort of price action out there, even in Bank Nifty as well. So for now, we have the levels to trade. Um, if we will see any kind of breakout towards beyond R3, we will be long, or if we will see any weakness around R3, we will go short. The same manner, S3 level is going to be my support and resistance, the flex level. If I'll see any price action, any strength around that level, I will buy with a small stop loss, or I will sell once I'll see the prices going below that and showing some weaknesses. But during the day, it means the morning session is now seems over, and we will have to wait for the afternoon session, because this 21 period moving average and VWAP is going to play out. The prices will just be dancing around these levels for some time to create a kind of squeeze, Bollinger Band squeeze sort of thing. And once that squeeze will bust, we will trade only that time, not now. So stay tuned with me for some time. Once I'll see any price action or any important level breaches, I'll come back to you, and we will once I enter any trade, I will notify you in a real